Right, so we're going to be discussing the foundation formula here that you can be using for your traffic. I'm going to be going over exactly what this formula is and then how you can implement it into your own business. So the first thing here that you need to be aware of and tracking and putting in your formula is your GVC, and that is your gross visitor cost. So for example, you're paying $1 per click to get people to visit your website. The next is NV, and that's the number of unique visitors, people who have visited your site, who are visiting your site for the first time. CMC is the campaign management cost, and this is the cost it takes excuse me, to manage each of your campaigns. Organic campaigns take time to manage. So do your paid traffic campaigns. And if you're running that campaign, or you're having someone else running the campaign for you, that is a cost either to you in time if you're running it. And remember, time is money. And if you're having someone else running it, that's a cost to you in money. So, your time is valuable. And if you want to scale, you definitely need to be outsourcing these campaign managements eventually. So you definitely need to track that. And then we have down here is the TCC, and this is the total campaign cost. And that is, you can get to that by using the formula GVC times NV plus CMC, and then you get your total campaign cost. And the next kind of part of the formula that you want to be paying attention to is NC, and that is the number of unique customers or leads that you're getting to your website. And the next thing here is TGP30, and that's your total gross profit, and that's for your first 30 days of this campaign. The next thing here is your GPV30, and that is your gross total profit per visitor for the first 30 days. And how you get to that is you divide the total profit for the first 30 days divided by your number of unique visitors, and that gives you the gross profit per visitor. So let's say you had a gross profit of $2,000, and you had 1,000 unique visitors coming to the site. That would give you a $2 gross profit per visitor that was coming to your site. And the next formula here that you want to kind of keep in mind is the TCP, and that is the total campaign profit. And how you get to that is you get the total gross profit for the first 30 days, the TGP30, minus the total campaign cost, and that gives you the total campaign profit. So for example, let's say the total gross profit, we'll use the same example you were using before, was $2,000. And then your total campaign cost was $1,000, $5, and that would give you $995 of total campaign profit for that particular period.